Naging pahirapan ang operasyon ng NBI laban sa mga ilegal na armas sa Muntinlupa City. Ang mga target kasi nilang Chinese, niresbakan pa ng mga kasama pero nahuli rin sila. Nakatutok si John Consulta.
Sabay-sabay na sinalakay ng NBI-NCR ang tatlong bahay sa isang exclusive subdivision sa Alabang, Muntinlupa. Ang target, mga armadong Chinese na nakatira doon na may hawak daw na loose firearms. Ayon sa NBI, may dumating pang resback ang mga inoperate na daywan na pawang mga umano'y armadong Chinese din. Lulang sila ng tatlong sasakyan kaya hindi naging madali ang operasyon.
We really had a difficult time containing them. And we almost resorted to drawing our firearms because they were never cooperative. We had a series of grapples until we were able to successfully contain them.
Kabilang sa na-recover ay 10 baril, mga bala, taser, posas at mga tactical vests.
We can see that these are well-built individuals, relatively young. The firearms seized by the NBI, you will notice some of them have tampered serial numbers. Some have defaced serial numbers. It's quite a task for the NBI to really determine the origin of the firearms.
Nang tanungin tungkol sa background ng mga inaresto,
Whether they have military background, we are checking with our counterparts. Kung meron itong background sila, ano bang pinanggalingan nila, criminal group ba ito, organized crime group ba ito, syndicate ba ito, we will have to check everything and we will have to cross-check that with the records of our counterparts.
tumangi magbigay ng pahayag ang mga inarestong Chino. Para sa GMA Integrated News, John Consulta, nakatutok 24 oras.